Do you think you should be licking that? You probably shouldn't lick that. It's gross for you to be doing that. But I appreciate your efforts to rearrange the refrigerator. Can you put that back? What are you doing, snotty nose? You're licking jelly. Oh, big head. This jelly's so cute. It's not a cup. It's actually strawberry preserves in a jar. You're gonna give us ants. You gonna put it in the drawer? Your mama's help? Let me open the drawer. There you go. You gonna put it in the drawer? No, you wanna dig in the drawer. Just open up a can of worms there. Hello. What's up? Yeah, not there. I would not kid. Your son's rearranging the refrigerator. Sorry. You can rearrange everything but the confectioner sugar, sir. I think I'm gonna have, I don't know, I'm just so hungry right now that I want to cook everything and eat it all right now. So once I eat something, I'll settle down and figure out what's actually gonna be for dinner. And I'm thinking, well, we don't have any eggs, so I was gonna make eggs and grits, but it's not gonna happen because there are no eggs. All right. Bye. Hola. Good. I'm recording my son rearrange the refrigerator. Yeah, he took, because we have the soy milk in the little bottom thing that he can reach. So he took that out, and then he took some preserves out, and put those in the drawer with the onions. I don't know what he's doing. But it's good. He's just doing a little rearranging, you know. He's sorting. Because he's going to have an organized, intelligent mind. Yeah. Oh, that sucks. And it's supposed to be an hour long, right? I'm sorry. Brandy, you are too much. Yeah. 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 Who's going to get her? I don't know what this boy's doing. putting the jelly on different shelves and then clapping. Ah. Or I guess he's applauding his fixing of the refrigerator because obviously the jelly was in the wrong spot. I'm not sure how much longer he needs to be playing in the fridge. It's kind of cold. He put my phone in the freezer recently. Like 5 minutes ago.